Roadside assistance has become a commodity, but which roadside assistance program is in your dealership's best interest for your customers to call? Typically, roadside assistance providers tow vehicles as requested by the driver or to the nearest service facility. This may not be your dealership. This is a major defection point for dealerships since oftentimes vehicle owners don't ever come back to their original servicing dealership again. However, for dealerships partnering with DriveSure, when one of your customers needs roadside assistance, they're towed back to your dealership, even if your competitors or other dealerships are closer to the breakdown location. How big of a difference does this really make though? As it turns out, quite a bit. This is the DriveSure Unplanned Repairs dashboard, and right here is a tow map for a sample dealership. As you can see here, the dealership had 61 roadside assistance claims over the reporting period, mostly involving tows. By looking at the tow map, we can see all recent originating tow locations and the paths that brought each customer back to the dealership. Within this 25-mile rescue radius of coverage, you'll notice several dealerships of the same brand, each marked by an exclamation point. This recent tow involved a customer who would have likely ended up at one of two nearby dealerships, had they not called DriveSure for roadside assistance. But because they did call DriveSure, they were towed back to their original servicing dealership, where the service team handled the repair and brought in $712 in parts and service revenue. With DriveSure, even unexpected repair events are an opportunity to strengthen loyalty, retain revenue, and keep your customers coming back. To learn more, book a free consultation today.